Sir, dati ito na nga, sinasabi natin ito, 50 greatest. Kasama tayo sa selection committee. You think satisfied na tayo sa 50 greatest na to? Meron ba tayong feeling nyo may hindi napili?
Well, meron pang, I think there are still deserving players that should be included in the future. There's a continuity of adding more best players. I think the selection is not only limited to 50, but you know, in the coming years there will be more addition of good players in the PBA. This is not only limited to 50. It's coming.
Ano masasabi nyo sa listahan ngayon na sa era nyo ba meron pa ba na iwan?
Palagay ko meron pa. A few.
Gusto nyo sabihin?
Huwag na.
Huwag na.
Huwag na.
And yung sabi ni Commissioner, baka daw, aside, since na this is a 50th celebration, baka daw may gumawa tayo ng greatest teams at saka greatest imports or greatest coaches. Tingin nyo ba yung Crispa nandun sa number 1 greatest teams?
Greatest team?
In the history?
I think they're well-deserving, you know. Crispa and Toyota is well-deserving of being best player in the league, you know. I think that should be considered as prime team in the PBA because they've won many championships. So it's only fitting if ever that they be called the best team. I think they're more deserving.
Pero yun nga, kung may number 1, number 2, tingin nyo ba sino dapat mauna, Toyota o Crispa?
Well, not only Toyota and Crispa, but offhand, to start with, I think Toyota and Crispa brought PBA to the forefront of what PBA is now today.
Okay, kung magkakaroon naman ng best imports, kunwari best top 10 best imports sa PBA history, meron ba kayong in mind na ilalagay na pangalan kagad doon?
Marami rin naman ha? Maraming there will be several good imports to name a few, you know. But I think Crispa is a good import. Snake Jones. This is the pioneer import of the PBA, you know. And it's only fitting to say that they are well deserving of the position as best import in the PBA.